In the cheerful town of Sunshine Valley lived a bright and lively girl named Bella. Bella loved drawing, playing with her friends, and baking cupcakes with her grandmother. But Bella had a little problem. She often procrastinated. She liked to do fun things first and leave work for later. "I'll finish my homework later," she would say. "There's still plenty of time." The big homework day. One Monday morning, Bella's teacher, Mrs. Harper, announced a special project, a beautiful poster about animals due on Friday. Bella smiled. "I can start it later. I have lots of time," she thought. She spent Monday drawing, Tuesday playing with friends, and Wednesday baking cupcakes with Grandma. Thursday arrived, and Bella realized she hadn't started her poster yet. "Oh no," Bella gasped. "There's so much to do, and it's almost due." The messy consequences. Bella tried to rush through her poster. She glued the wrong pictures, smudged her paint, and spilled glue all over her favorite notebook. By the time she finished, it looked messy. Bella felt frustrated. "If only I had started earlier," she sighed. Her grandmother smiled and said, "Bella, do you remember the proverb, 'A stitch in time saves 9'? It means that taking care of a small problem right away can prevent bigger problems later." Bella thought carefully. "So if I manage my time wisely, I won't have to rush and make mistakes." "Exactly," said Grandma. Step 1. Make a plan. Bella decided to try a new approach for her next project. She got a notebook and wrote down a simple plan. Monday, research the topic. Tuesday, sketch ideas. Wednesday, gather materials. Thursday, create the poster. Friday, review and finalize. "This way, I won't be rushed," Bella said with a smile. Step 2. Stick to the schedule. Bella followed her plan carefully. Each day, she worked a little bit on her project. She took breaks when she needed to, asked for help when she got stuck, checked her work carefully. By Thursday, her poster was nearly perfect. On Friday, she added the finishing touches. Step 3. Enjoy the benefits. At school, Bella proudly presented her poster. It was colorful, neat, and creative. Mrs. Harper smiled. "Wonderful work, Bella. You managed your time wisely and did an amazing job." Bella beamed. She realized that starting early and managing her time saved her stress, mistakes, and last-minute panic. The lesson Bella remembered the proverb, "A stitch in time saves 9." She understood that planning ahead and managing time wisely prevents bigger problems and makes work easier and more enjoyable. From that day on, Bella practiced planning her time for homework, chores, and fun activities. She learned that a little effort each day goes a long way, leaving more time for play and happiness. Moral of the story: time management helps kids avoid stress, make fewer mistakes, and enjoy their work. Starting tasks early and planning carefully truly saves time and effort. Just like the saying, "A stitch in time saves 9." Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.